In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, one man is serving up more than just food. He's dishing out hope. With 150 plates and an open heart, he's reaching some of Jamaica's most vulnerable. Ramada Lyons reports.
Chicken foot soup, rice and peas and fried chicken, drinks. All of that was being offered for free as scores of Jamaicans showed up outside the St. James Municipal Corporation's Care Center for hope on a plate. This involved homeless people, persons with disabilities and mental health issues, and people who just needed a hot meal.
Today you might see them here. Who to tell? You giving a helping hand. You can change that actual situation, because let me tell you, a lot of persons out there, they just want the start. Like what whole people would normally say. A start is just enough for them to get back on their feet.
That's Akeem Nesbeth, the man behind the initiative. Hailing from Rose Heights in St. James, he says his altruistic efforts were inspired by a woman with an autistic son that he'd pass daily.
She always asking for something. And I can recall one day when I went back there, I did not see her. And I'm trying to find out, where's this lady? Where's this lady?
Eventually, he found her. She was working despite her challenges and was able to get help for her child. That left a lasting impression.
I said that, guess what? Circumstances do change. She just needed the first step, and that was what she got. And that motivated me to say, hey, let me try to reach out to somebody to try to see if I can help. And I did.
And this is the result. The event catered to 150 people, but the numbers far exceeded that. Mr. Nesbeth says a lot of the people who showed up,
they're here, they don't know where their meal is coming from. And we bring hope to them. They were hoping for something, and this is what I brought today, hope on a plate.
He recalled 2023 when he suffered a mental breakdown while traveling abroad. He said he couldn't find support.
One of my ways of getting support was to return back to Jamaica to be amongst family. And I was actually... I reach out to people who I can get help from. I had to see a therapist where I had to be paying like $15,000 per session. And I mean, if it wasn't for me seeking immediate help, maybe I wouldn't be here talking to you today.
Which is another reason for Hope on a Plate, an opportunity to meet Jamaicans in need halfway. And he plans to expand its reach.
We're not only focusing on Montego Bay, but we are going to wider Jamaica. I'm trying to turn this into a foundation where I have a plan where we are seeking persons who are professionals, who knows about mental health. And so I have invited the Ministry of Health today to actually speak on mental health, to actually speak about when persons are going through depression, what avenues that they can take, where is it that they can go to find actual help.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Ramada Lyons.